Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Roblox and you keep getting this error, fail to connect to the game with the error code 279, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on Roblox easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to right here view network connections, you're going to right click on your network connection. If you're on an Ethernet connection, it should say Ethernet. If you're on a wireless connection, it should say WLAN. So right click on your network connection, go into properties, go into Internet Protocol version 4, click Properties here, click Use the following DNS server addresses, write in the preferred DNS 1.1.1.1, and in the alternate DNS, you're going to write 1.0.0.1, click OK again. And after that, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu again. You're going to write here allow an app through Windows Firewall. You're going to click change settings, click allow another app, click browse on here, go on to your Roblox directory. So I don't have Roblox installed on my computer, so I'm going to use Battlefield as an example. Click open, click add then, and on this list you're going to find Roblox, and you're going to make sure that you have both private and public ticked on. And after that, click OK. Now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu again. You're going to go into Windows Defender Firewall, click advanced settings here, click inbound rules here, click new rule, select program, click next, go into your Roblox directory. I'm going to use Battlefield as an example again. Click open, click next, click allow the connection, next, make sure all three of these are ticked, click next again, add a name, write Roblox or whatever, and then click finish. And after that, you're going to go into the same settings again. You're going to go into outbound rules. You're going to do the same thing here. So program, Roblox, next, allow the connection, next, all three ticked, next, add a name, click finish, and after that you can go ahead and play Roblox on your computer and you'll see that it will work correctly. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.